Karma Guy here with the 2017 BW Beetle 1.8 TSE convertible, only 61,000 miles, and spent its life in Georgia. It's got a fresh oil change, new spark plugs, brake pads, and over $650 in recent service. Plus, it's got current GA emissions and the original books. It's dealer certified pre-owned with a quality plus warranty, 3 months, 3,000 miles, and you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty. All scans are clean, 9 for 9 monitors, ready to roll. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. This car's the sweet deal.